Namaste children, in this session number 50, we are going to continue with the yesterday's homework and also we are going to solve the problems from worksheet number 3, third main, and we are going to understand multiplication of a binomial and a trinomial with some examples, and also we are going to solve the problems from worksheet number 4, first main. So to start with the homework, yesterday I had given you the homework from worksheet number 3, that is first main, fifth and sixth main. Here are the solution children. 4x square plus 7y cube into 3xy minus 2y square. So these two are the binomials. Binomials means the algebraic expression having two terms. This is one binomial. This is another binomial. How to multiply the two binomials, children? First term into second binomial or second bracket plus second term into second bracket. In this way, we are going to multiply the binomial in the first step. Now, we have converted one of the binomial into monomial. We have now monomial and a binomial. We already know how to multiply monomial with the binomial. What we do here, if this is A, if this is B and this is C, how do you multiply? A into B minus A into C. So 4x square into 3xy. Now we are going to multiply directly, children. We don't need one more step here. We are going to multiply directly and keep the answer here. So 4 3s are 12. X square into x is x cube. Y is here. Keep it as it is. Minus 4 2s are 8. X square as it is. Y square. Plus. Now again you have monomial and a binomial. If this is A, B and C, A into B minus A into C. 7y cube into 3xy. So here 7 3s are 21. X1 as it is, y to the power of 3 into y. Y cube into y will be y to the power of 4 minus 7 2s are 14. Y cube into y square, which is y to the power of 5. Hope you have got the same answer. Next you have sixth one, 1.1x plus 1.1x plus 2.75 7y into 1.1x minus 2.7y. Two binomials you have to multiply or convert one of the binomial into monomial. What we do here? First term into second bracket. Complete second bracket you write plus second term in the first bracket into complete second bracket. So you get the answer in the monomial and binomial. So 1.1x into 1.1x. In rough work, you have to multiply 1.1 into 1.1, children. If I remove the decimal point, you get 11 and 11. 11 11s are 121. After decimal point, you should have two digits. So here 121 are right. I count from the right side 1, 2 and keep the decimal point. So I get 1.21. X into x is x square. Here you have minus sign. 1.1 into 2.7. If I multiply, I am going to get a 2.97. Here 11, you have to take it as 11. This has 27, children. 11 7s are 77, 7 carry. 11 2s are 22 plus 7, 29. After decimal point, you should have two digits. So from right side, 1, 2, I keep the decimal point. I get 2.97 x into y. Here 2.7y into 1.1x. We know 11 into 2.27 is 2.97. Write the same 2.97 x into y. Here minus sign you have. Next is 2.7y into 2.7y. 27 into 27 will be 729, children. After decimal point, two digits. So 7.29. Y into y is y square. Here you can observe you have the like terms, only opposite signs are there, plus and minus, so they get cancelled. You are left with 1.21 x square. Here you have minus 7.29 y square. So, check the answers, children. Next is in worksheet 3, second main, I had given the homework for third one, that is multiply the following binomials and verify the results for the given values. Here we have to multiply and then the values are given for m and n. We have to substitute by taking the given question as LHS and the answer after we multiply, we take this as RHS. We are going to check whether LHS is equal to RHS. The steps are m into second bracket plus n into second bracket. Here 2m into m is 2m square minus 3n into m, which is 3mn minus 3mn. Here you have plus 2n into 2m, which will be 2nm, and then plus into minus minus, then you have 3n square. Here you have the like terms, children. You can write this n here or m here. So they become like terms, minus 3nm plus 2nm plus 3 minus 2. Sorry, minus 3 plus 2. One is minus, one is plus. We have to subtract and keep the bigger number sign. So you get minus 1, children. So I write 2m square minus 1m. If you solve this, you get minus 1m minus 3n square. Now consider the given question as LHS, m plus n into 2m minus 3n. Substitute the values of m and n given here. M is minus 2, n is 0. In place of m, you have to substitute minus 2. In place of n, 0. Minus 2 plus 0, brackets, use the big brackets. 2 into m is again minus 2 minus 3 into n is 0. Close the brackets. Minus 2 plus 0, children, is minus 2 into 2 plus into minus is minus. 2 2s are 4 minus 3 into any number. Sorry, any number into 0 is 0. So 3 into 0 is 0. Minus 2 into minus 4 minus 0. If I take out the 0, this is subtraction, children. If I take away 0 from any number, the number remains the same. So minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8. Now consider the answer as RHS. Here in place of m, you should substitute minus 2 and n as 0. 2 into minus 2 whole square minus 1 into m is minus 2, n is 0. Minus 3 into n place we have to substitute 0 square. 2 into minus 2 multiplied 2 times, children. Minus 2 whole square is 4. Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. 2 2s are 4. So minus 2 whole square is 4 minus 1 into any number with multiplied by 0 is 0 minus 3, 0 whole square is 0. 2 4s are 8. 1 into 0 is 0 minus 3 into 0 is 0. In 8, if you take out 0, you get again 8. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we have verified. Now, let us continue with the second main, children. Last fourth one is left. That is 0.1p plus 0.2q into 0.2q minus 0.1p. The values are p is equal to 10 and q is equal to 5. Before substituting, we have to solve these two binomials. First into this first term into complete second bracket and second term into complete second bracket. Here 0.1p into this bracket plus 0.2q into again this bracket. We have converted the given binomials into monomial and a binomial. 0.1 into 0.2 is 0.02, p into q is pq. minus 0.1 into 0.1 p is 0.01. P into p is p square. 0.2 into 0.2, 0.04. Q into q is q square minus as it is 0.2 into 0.1 is 0.02 pq as it is. Here you may have the doubt of how to multiply 0.1 into 0.2 children. 0.1 into 0.2. Instead of writing the decimal points like this, you can write directly 1 into 2. What is 1 into 2? 1 2s are 2. Now here in the question, after decimal point, you should have 2 digits. Check the question here children. Here after decimal point 1 digit, after decimal point 1 digit. 1 plus 1 is 2. So in the answer you should have 2 digits after the decimal point. You have already 1 digit. Keep 1 0. Now you keep a point. Now in the answer you have after point 2 digits. So 0.1 into 0.2 will be 0.02. I think now you have got the how to multiply the decimal points here. If I ask you 0.1 into 0.1, 1 ones are 1. After decimal point you should be having 2 digits. So 0.01. Here 2 2s are 4. After decimal point you should be having 2 digits. So 0.04. Here again you have 0.2 into 0.1. We have already done, which is 0.02. Now observe this step children. Here you have got the like terms 0.02 pq and minus 0.02 pq get cancelled. You are left with minus 0.01 p square plus 0.04 q square. This is LHS and this is RHS. Consider LHS children, that is 0.1 p, the given question, plus 0.2 q into 0.2 q minus 0.1 p. You know how to convert the given decimal point into rational numbers. 0.1 is written as 1 by 10 children. So I write 0.1 as 1 by 10 into, what is the value of p? It is given as 10 and q is 5. In place of p we write 10 minus plus 0.2 will be written as 2 by 10 into q value is 5. In the next bracket 0.2 will be written as 2 by 10 into q value is 5. Then minus 0.1 is 1 by 10 into p value is 10 by 1. Now in this step you get cancelled. 10 ones are 10 ones are, 5 ones are 5 twos are, 2 ones are 2 ones are. Here also the same cancellation. 5 ones are 5 twos are, 2 ones are 2 ones are. 10 ones are 10 and 10 ones are 10 here. Here you are left with the, in the whole bracket you have 1 plus again 1 here into 1 minus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 children into 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 zeros are 0. Now consider the RHS you have got here. That is, in place of p we have to substitute 10 children. Minus 0.01 will be written as 1 divided by 100. You know how to write 0.01. Numerator I write 1 because after point you have 2 digits. In the denominator will be having 2 zeros followed by 1. That is 1 by 100. So 1 by 100 into p is 10 square plus 4 by 100 into q is 5 square. Now remove the powers children. Here 10 square is 100, 5 square is 25. Cancellation 100 ones are 100 ones are. Here 25 ones are 25 fours are 100, 4 ones are 4 ones are. Minus 1 is here in the brackets plus you are left with 1 here. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. You are left with 0. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we have verified. Next question is, simplify the following children. Question is 2x minus 3y into 3x plus y plus x in plus 2y into x minus y. Here you can find the difference, children, between first question and third question. Previously you had only two binomials. We are going to multiply only two binomials in these two mains. But in third main, you have what? The two pairs of binomials, children. Here is one pair plus another pair. So you are going to multiply the two binomials two times. The same process will be followed, children. Only here is we have got at a stretch two pairs of binomials. Let us see how to solve them. Follow the same method, children. First term into second bracket and then second term into second bracket. Here also the same. First term into second bracket complete plus second term into second bracket. So write 2x into the second bracket 3x plus y minus 3y into 3x plus y. This is only about this binomial, children. Next we have one more pair here. First term, that is x into x minus y plus 2y. The second term into second bracket into x minus y. This way we have converted the given pair of binomials into monomial and a binomial. The next step, directly multiply. 2 3s are 6, x into x is x square plus 2xy minus, plus into minus is minus, 3 3s are 9. Then you have x into y is xy, plus into minus is minus 3y square. Here in the next, don't forget the sign, children. X into x is x square, plus into minus is minus xy. Then come to this bracket, plus 2y into x, which is 2xy minus 2y square. Find out any like terms if you have, children. Here you have to be very careful because many x square, xy are there. You have to consider serially. First one is 6x square. Do you have any like terms? Check it and write down immediately after it. That is 6x square and 1x square. Then you have plus 2xy minus 9xy. This is one group, children. And this one minus 9xy. And then minus 1xy plus 2xy. So here, these are the terms I have written. 2xy minus 9xy minus 1xy and 2xy. Now what you are left with? The minus 3y square minus 2y square. So these two also I have written. I have made the groups separately. In this step, not to get confused, I have made the groups of the like terms separately, and then we are going to add the coefficients. When the terms are like, when you have like terms, you have to add the coefficient, children. 6 plus 1 is 7x square. Here plus 2 minus 9 minus 7 minus 7 minus 1 minus 8 minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. So minus 6xy you have, and then minus 3 and minus 2 is minus 5y square. Here how to add and subtract you should learn. You have learnt already. You can also keep it in serial vertical column or column method, children. Plus 2 and then minus 9 minus 1, then you have plus 2. You know how to add and subtract these integers, children. We have learnt it in the previous chapter. So the answer is this. Now we have to consider LHS. LHS is 2x minus 3y into 3x plus y. Sorry, you don't need to verify, children, in this main. We have only got the question as simplify. So the second question will be 2 by 3x plus 4 into 3 by 2x plus 6 minus 1 by 7x minus 1, 1 by 7x plus 1. We have got two pairs of binomials. First term in the first bracket into complete second bracket. Then second term is 4, complete second bracket. Then you have next pair of binomial. First term and outside you have minus sign, children. Don't forget it. Don't neglect. You have to keep it. Minus 1 by 7x into the second bracket. 1 by 7x plus 1. Minus into plus, minus is plus 1 into 1 by 7x plus 1. Children, you have to practice this type of problems where outside you have got a minus sign. If you have plus sign, there will be no confusion. If you have minus sign, you have to practice it more and more. Now, multiply 2 by 3 x into 3 by 2x. Here, I'll do it in the rough side. Or else write down one more time. 2 by 3 x into 3 by 2 x. Plus, you have to multiply 2 by 3 x into 6. So, I have multiplied this term into this and this term into this. Since you have got the rational numbers, children, so I am going to add the step plus 4 into this. 4 into 3 by 2 x plus 4 into 6. Then in this step, minus 1 by 7x into 1 by 7x. Then you have minus 1 by 7x into 1. Then you have plus 1 into 1 by 7x is 1 again. 1 by 7x plus 1 into 1. So this step I have added in this problem, children. Now you can observe, you can cancel 3 ones are 3 ones are, 2 ones are 2 ones are. Here you have 3 ones are 3 twos are, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Further no cancellation. So you are left with x into x is x square plus 2 twos are 4x plus 2 threes are 6x plus 4 6 are 24 minus 1 by 49x square minus 1 by 7x plus 1 by 7x plus 1. Children, here minus 1 by 7x and plus 1 by 7x get cancelled. You are left with the you have 1x square and minus 1 by 49 x square. I am going to write it as 1 minus 1 by 49 x square. X square is common. I keep it outside. 1 minus 1 by 49. I keep it in the bracket. Rest is, here you have like terms. 4x plus 6x is 10x plus 24 plus 1 is 25. So all the terms we have considered. Now take the LCM, which is 49. 1 49s are 49 and then 49 ones are 49. 49 ones are 49 minus 1 ones are 1. 49 minus 1 is 48 x square. You know how to subtract the rational numbers plus 10x plus 25. So practice these problems more times, children, so that you become perfect. Next you have third one, that is 7 ABC plus B square into 7 minus BC plus C into 2B cube minus 9AB. Here is the question, children. Here you have got one pair of binomial children. So this is one pair of binomial and plus here you have monomial and a binomial. So what I do here, let us convert this one into monomial and a binomial. First term 7abc into second bracket 7 minus bc plus second term b square into second bracket 7 minus bc. Here this term let us keep it as it is. Two b cube minus 9ab. Now let us multiply first into this is a into b minus a into c. 7 sevens are 49. A B C plus into minus is minus 7 A B square C square. Children, next is plus 7b square minus b cube c. Then in this bracket 2 plus 2b cube c plus into minus is minus 9ab c. You have to find out any like terms are there. Here you have 49 ABC and minus 9 ABC, which will be 40 ABC. Then you don't have any A, B square, C square term, children. Write one time. Then you have plus 7B square, 1 B cube C minus 1 B cube C and plus 2 B cube C will be plus 1 B cube C. So this is the answer for third part, children. Next you have P plus Q into P square minus Q square plus P minus Q into P square plus Q square. Again you have two binomials, two pairs of binomials, then convert it into monomial and a binomial. P into P square minus Q square plus Q into P square minus Q square. Next pair, first term into second bracket minus second term into second bracket. Multiply directly. P into P square is P cube plus into minus minus P Q square plus P square Q plus into minus is minus Q cube plus P cube plus into plus P Q square. Then you have plus into minus minus P square Q minus into plus is minus Q into Q square is Q cube. Find out, do you have any like terms, children, which is P cube and then you have one more P cube. P cube and P cube minus PQ square. You don't have any PQ square term, children. You write one time and then plus P square Q. You have one more P square Q. PQ square minus PQ square and plus PQ square get cancelled. Plus P square Q and minus P square Q get cancelled. So you are left with the minus Q cube and one more minus Q cube. Therefore, the answer will be, you have to add the coefficient when you have the like terms. 1 plus 1 is 2P cube minus 1 minus 1, which is minus 2Q cube. So this is the answer for the fourth main, children. Next you have the fifth main. Fifth part, that is x plus 2y into minus 3x minus y minus x plus y into x minus y plus x minus 2y into minus 2x plus y. Children, what is the difference here? For fifth part and fourth part, you have got only two pairs in this, but in fifth part, you have got three pairs. One pair of binomial, second pair, and third pair. So, three times you are going to convert two binomials into monomial and a binomial. Let us start. X into first term into second bracket. Then second term plus 2y into minus 3x minus y minus, don't forget the minus sign, children, minus x into x minus y and then you have minus outside, so minus into plus is minus y into x minus y. Then plus x into second bracket minus 2x plus y and this second term minus 2x, sorry, minus 2y into second bracket, that is minus 2x plus y. So x into second bracket and then minus 2y into second bracket. So you have to complete complete method for all the pairs of the binomials. Now directly multiply minus 3x square minus 3xy minus 6xy plus into minus minus 2y square plus into minus is minus x square minus into minus plus xy plus into minus minus xy, then minus into minus plus y square plus into minus is minus 2x square, again you have only plus xy, then minus into minus is plus 2xy minus into plus is minus 2y square. You have many like terms here, children. So what I do is, in this step I am going to group them. Minus 3x square, x square term anywhere you have to find out. X square minus 1x square and then you have minus 2x square. So I have grouped the like terms. Next is minus 3xy. Do you have any minus 3xy? You should find out. Minus 3xy, then minus 6xy, and then you have plus 1xy, here minus 1xy, again plus 1xy, then plus 2xy. So many xy's are there. Then you are going to add minus 2y square term. Minus 2y square. Here you have plus 1y square. Then lastly you have got minus 2y square. Children, if you have only minus x square, the coefficient will be 1. So I have written 1x square here. So wherever you don't have any number, it is understood it is having 1 as coefficient. Now let us add. Here you have minus 3x square. Minus 3, minus 1, minus 2. All are having same sign. Add and keep the same sign. Minus 6x square. Here xy terms are there. So what I do, I cancel 1xy minus 1xy. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. And then minus 9 plus 1, minus 8. Minus 8 plus 2, minus 6. So minus 6xy. Here minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 y square. So this way we have simplified the given three pairs of binomials. Children, next is multiplication of a binomial and a trinomial. So we are going to, till now we have multiplied two monomials, monomial and a binomial, and binomial with binomial. Now we have got one more algebraic term, that is trinomial. You know already what is trinomial. Trinomial means an algebraic expression containing or having three terms is called as trinomial. Tri means three. Bi means two. In this next worksheet, we are going to understand how to multiply a given binomial with a trinomial. So binomial will be having two terms, that is A and B. So A plus B is one binomial. One more binomial will be having three terms. Here if I take C, D and E, these are the three terms. How to multiply? When you are multiplying A plus B having two terms. This algebraic expression is having two terms. Another will be having three terms. Let us take it as C, D, E. How to multiply them? Let us know, children. Here we are going to multiply first the first term in the binomial into second bracket. That is A into C plus D plus E. See what I have done? I have taken the first term into second bracket complete. Then second term and second bracket plus B into, what is second bracket? C plus D plus E. So in this way, when you are given a binomial and a trinomial, we are going to convert it into monomial and a trinomial. Then you know how to multiply this monomial with another algebraic expression, that is trinomial. What you do here? A into C plus A into D plus A into E. A into C plus A into D plus A into E. Then here B into C plus B into D plus B into E. So in this way, we are going to multiply the given binomial with a trinomial. If you are given the only two binomials, we have already learned how to convert them into monomial and a binomial. When you are given two binomials, we are converting them first into monomial and a binomial. But here when you are given a binomial and a trinomial, we are going to convert in the next step a monomial and a trinomial. Children, you have worksheet 4, 6 problems, children. Let me show you one or two problems how to work out worksheet 4. First main is find the following products: x plus 3 into x square plus 2x minus 1. Children, here is the question. You have to just multiply the binomial and a trinomial. So what is the first step? If this is A plus B, this is A plus B and C, D and E. So what we are going to do? We are going to multiply A into second bracket plus B into second bracket. So x into the second bracket, x square plus 2x minus 1 plus B. What is B here? B is 3, children. So 3 into second bracket, x square plus 2x minus 1. So first term into second bracket, second term into second bracket. Same as we have done before. Only the difference is here. You are given one of the expression is trinomial. Now we know how to convert this into or multiply. X into x is x square. Sorry, x into x square is x cube plus x into 2x is 2x square plus into minus minus x into 1 is x plus 3 into x square is 3x square plus 3 2s are 6 x minus 3 1s are 3. As we have done in this step, we have to find out the like terms if we have. If you don't have the like terms, you have to keep it as it is. First is x cube. Then you have 2x square plus 3x square, 5x square x terms you have minus 1 and plus 6, which is plus 5x minus 3. One more question let me solve, children. That is 7y minus 2 into 5y square minus 3y plus 2. So how to multiply? This is A and B. This is C, D and E. A into second bracket plus B into second bracket. That is 7y into 5y square minus 3y plus 2 minus 2 into 5y minus 3y plus 2. 7 5s are 35 y to the power of 3 minus 7 3s are 21 y square plus 7 2s are 14 y minus 2 into the second bracket. 2 5s are 10 y. Here you have minus sign, children. So minus into minus will be plus. 2 3s are 6y. Minus into plus is minus. 2 2s are 4. Find out the like terms. If you have 35 y cube minus 21 y square plus 4y. 14y minus 10y is 4y. 4y plus 6y is 10y. 10y minus 4. So in this way we are going to convert or multiply the given binomial and a trinomial. Let me give you two sums, children, that is p cube plus 3p plus q into 9p plus 2q. This is one problem. One more is minus 2x square plus xy minus y square into 3x plus 4y. So take this as homework, children, these two problems, and the remaining let us solve in the next class. Hope you understood well, children. Thank you, children.